Today I want to tell you a folk story about Rama Chandra. Once upon a time, there were two Hindu kingdoms, Pangi and Kratam Boko. Pangi kingdom was led by a prosperous and welfare kingdom that was led by a king named Prabhu Damamoyo. He had a son named Bandung Bondowoso. Meanwhile, Kraton Boko was a part of Pangi Kingdom jurisdiction that was led by a cruel and easily angry king. It turned out he was giant and man-eater too. He was named Prabhu Boko. However, Prabhu Boko had a very beautiful daughter named Rama Chandra. One day, Pati Bupolo, I want to revolt and have control over Pangi Kingdom. I want to be the strongest king in this land. Ha 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 ha. Of course, Your Majesty, I will execute your command. Then, the war between Pangi Kingdom and Kraton Boko happened. Finally, Prabhu Boko died in that war. Now his king had died. Pati Bupolo ran away from the battle. By then, Prabhu Boko chased Pati Bupolo to Kraton Boko. After Pati Bupolo arrived in Kraton Boko, he reported to Rama Chandra that her father was killed by Panding knife, which was Bandung Bondowoso.